Good afternoon, everyone. So today I'm going to the doctor just to do a yearly checkup, do a little bit of wellness blood work and some other testing just to make sure everything's okay. And I'm also testing for COVID-19 just to make sure I'm okay. And, I don't have any symptoms, but you never know. So just want to make sure that's clear. And then we're going to be unboxing my bike. It came in and I will be building that today. I'm excited. Can't wait for you guys to see how amazing this bike looks, and I'll tell you a little bit about the bike. I know it has, on the front part of the bike, it has some shock, so if you are going in a bumpy hill or potholes, the shock will just basically help you so your tire doesn't get damaged, or so you won't quickly bounce back because of the shock with the pressure. It goes straight down and then it goes back up. It has low and high speed. You can change the levels on that, on the handle as well. I had to buy some accessories for both bikes, my bike and Cat's bike. It didn't come with a bottle holder for water, so I ordered that. That should be coming in today. I also bought 2 phone holders for the bike, so that when we are going around and we need the GPS, then we know what route we're taking. And there's also a bunch of apps out there, and just basically shows you the routes on where you can go. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Now let's unbox. There she is. Schwinn. Now, let's start unboxing. This is the moment that I've been waiting for. This is gonna be similar to Cat's bike unboxing. Pretty much the same, stuff. Here we have the seat. Quickly take out the bike. Look at these tires. Look at the colors. Can you guys see that? Isn't that sick? All right. I'm gonna just start taking all the paper stuff out of this bike, and then I'll start building it. Pretty similar as the other unboxing. I have some of the tools here and the screws. That's pretty much it. Wow, this looks incredible. These tires are I don't know, they look just bigger than the other ones. All right, so here we have the 2 pedals that I'm gonna put on. This is the seat, and then the handles are here on the side. I'm just gonna cut everything off and then show you guys that. Let me just get my scissors real quick. And these tires, I've noticed, they have a little bit of a different style from Cat's bike. These have black rims. The tires are a bit thicker and wider, and I think there's some other stuff. I just gotta check it out first. Let me just cut all these things. That looks pretty cool. Look at that. It has the green and blue, black rims. The tires are thicker than the other one, and they feel tough and strong. All right. Let me just cut all this, and then we can get to more of the bike. almost done. There's a lot of wrapping on this bike. Alright, I'll show you guys a little bit of it. Now let's start attaching these things together. Now to see how this gets attached. Let's start with the easy stuff, right? Like the seat. Gotta take off this book. There's my scissor. And this is pretty self-explanatory. You want to tighten this part here, and then you want to close it this way. Not sure you guys can see it well, but I mean, it's pretty easy. Let's see. A little bit higher. Just get this closed. Look at the tires real quick. See, I can't tell. Let's see. I need to see the picture because, let me see, is this the same bike? So it is finally done, and I'm gonna show you guys now. My bike is finally built. Look how amazing this bike is. Like, let's start off with how it looks. The colors I'm in love with. You got some baby blues, some green, and black thick tires. Also has black rims, and it also has the shocks here. So when you're going on a bump, it'll just, you push it down and it goes all the way down and then it comes back up. Look how, this is like a beast. Look how thick the body is. See? This is really nice. In person it looks like I said, like a beast. And then these are discs. So basically when you press the brakes, it just has a brake on the back here in the disc. This is the disc here. So once you press the brake, it holds the disc. It's just like a car. Pretty much. That's super cool. I didn't even know that. Also here in the front it has the one brake. So when you press the front brakes, it just stops the tires there. Here has different speeds, so it goes from low to high. So this is the dial here. And it has it on both sides. Here it has the night little reflector there for nighttime. Also it has it in the back. You can get the red reflector there as well. I adjusted the seat. I may have to change it, but like I said, I'm taking it to the bike shop so the guy can make sure everything is nice and tight. But yeah, this is my Schwinn bike. It's finally here. It's all built, and now the next step is to take it for a spin. So this is my bike right here, and then this is Cat's bike. And this is the Roadmaster. I don't know if you guys seen it. But if you haven't, I'll put the video of the unboxing. This is her, all black. It has some gray and white. So we're also taking this to the shop to get everything adjusted. See, on Kat's bike, she has the normal brakes, so they stop the rim when you press it. As you can see right here, it stops both sides just like the fronts. But this is an awesome bike as well. So yeah, so this bike, since it was a beast, it was exhausting of building it. It took me some time, but I got it done. Now I'm excited to use it. I have to wait until we take it into the shop, get everything tightened up, and then we'll go for a ride. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.